Are you looking for a way for your organization members to sign up easily for volunteer slots? Use Google Calendar appointment slots in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to use Google tools to help your nonprofit. Today, we'll show you how to set up appointment slots for sign-up in Google Calendar. Create an event on your calendar just like you would a meeting. From there, select Appointment Slots. You can edit more details like the time of the slot and whether it's reoccurring. Once you're done, gather the URL to send to volunteers for which they can sign up for shifts. So there you have it. Create appointment slots in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more information? Check out google.com/nonprofit.